Hey, go me there.
I'm excited to eat some fresh yellowfin. I haven't had that in so long.
Nice. I got 2 more bags. Slow us down. Oh my. Tuna right there. Calm in the water. Literally right here, next to the boat. Not a big guy, but a tuna nonetheless. Hey Logan, you're good. Sabrina, you're under.
Yeah, I got popped out right here.
No, no, under. You're under, dingus. Come on.
All right, get above it. I think we know the strategy now.
Oh, come on. No, he's a bigger boy.
He's playing with us. Still going?
Yeah, I turned the drag up too. What's the idea? No, we don't really have any pitch baits. I was like, no, I was just wondering if we had any pitch baits. Just let it drift while, you know, I got something over here. Glove? Yeah, actually I do. Yeah, I'm on the black dot, and I'm not feeling them. So I'm not feeling them. No, I think I said no way. That was a pretty big well on the water. This guy's heavy. Oh yeah, I'm in 4-wheel. Well, no, I'm doing. Well, I was in 1-wheel peel mode.
Right there. There's the first color. See him? Put it in second gear.
It's not like it's a tight thing. It's just a lot of time. One arm needs to rest a little bit. It's fine. Oh, what the front door shark?
The shark in there. Son of a bitch. I think you got a different shark.
I don't know, but the shark has the nomad in its mouth. No.
Get Mr. Rusty. Rusty's gonna have a talk to Mr. Shark.
That's a big ass shark. Black tip oceanic.
That looks like a brown or silver green.
Shoot, I have no idea what that thing is.
Actually, no. You know what that is?
That's a shark. Oh, way out here, dog. That's a big boy, too. I don't know. Oh yeah. That's a cool shark. That's a big boy. Oh, good choice.
Just put that one on.
I am. I'm gonna lose it there. I'm not gonna try and get it loose off that shark. I like my fingers where they are. Come here, dude.
Laser off. Yeah,
You know what? I'm tired too. Tired of losing my damn nomads.
Alright, let's get on to a different pack. Drive. Oh my fuck! No, he popped off. Yeah. I got it.
He is a little black man. He's a black man. He's a black man.
Yeah, it is. That's a black fin.
Let him down. Let down. Hey, Rocky! Let's go!
He doesn't count towards our quota, so we're all set.
Yeah, it's black.
Nice. I was letting down.
Just plunk him over, Carson.
See ya, man. Send him flying.
He almost hit that. Playing the drums out here.
Sounds like your neighbor. Actually, the fish sounds better.
He has more rhythm.
He's definitely more consistent, faster.
He's like telling all of his friends, "Just come here, just come here."
Dude, he's supersonic.
He's running out of steam.
We're just about ready for takeoff.
Oh, fish. How long has that guy been on there?
Grab my beer.
Be my honor. Oh,
You're leaving the wheel.
Carson.
Carson, watch your face.
here, put us on autopilot. Hey, Mom, can you drive for us? Make sure you keep the line straight. Well, I mean, it'll keep us.
You hooked up?
Never mind. You're good. Just to keep us as straight as we can be. Are you on, cars?
Real low.
We'll get yours in then.
Are we tangled? Still?
Let me get my guy in.
I got one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you did. All right, come on.
This line is so bunched up.
I think you need to go back to Crimpton School. I got a little
Come get it.
black
It's
fin.
the little black fin. Come
I got it. I got it. I got it myself. Is it a black or is it a yellow?
That's a black. That's a black.
Okay. Why am I losing all these lures?
Yeah,
Because
and then I had the big
your
yellow.
crimps are
the
failing.
shit out of them or anything.
Your crimps are failing. I know it's exactly what's happening.
Might be yellowfin.
I hope so. Why do you have that already? Yeah, you were a little premature to the boat ramp yesterday too. I said you were a little premature to the boat ramp yesterday too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He told me to be there at 4.
You did. You're following orders, but that was mine. Yeah. Well, obviously it was on a diver, so no, I didn't see it like eat. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I'm feeling head shakes.
He's singing like a bee.
It doesn't feel like a shark this time around, which is nice.
No head shake.
No. All right.
Yeah.
I'm good at what I do, man. Well, when you're fighting a 6-foot shark compared to a 40-pound yellowfin tuna, they fight a little different.
Yeah, Logan just had his warm up.
Alright, guys, go ahead and get the gas, bud. Getting close. Well, that means he's digging. That means he's a tuna. Alright, Dad, I'm gonna want you to kind of cut it to the right, or yeah, to the right. Yeah.
Nice yellowfin.
It's a gapper.
It's a gapper. You might want to bring it up now. Take it out.
I'm working on it. Don't tell me. Wait, what the fuck is that? It's not laying on its side like the yellowfin typically does, but it's... Alright, cut it to the right, cut it to the right. Is it? Yeah, it is. Is it?
You gotta start walking back. Yeah, that's a yellow. Alright, back it up.
I'm just I'd prefer if you did.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, okay.
Here.
Come on.
Here.
Drive the boat.
You're a menace to society. And actually, I am.
He doesn't know he's really hooked yet. Bring him up.
Yeah, let's figure out who's actually let him know.
Good night. You didn't fight my first thing again. That's the biggest one today right there.
There you go. Oh yeah, that's a yellowfin. It's a pretty nice one too. I'm not, yeah, you know.
I can't believe he didn't fight much. He did not fight very much.
Well, he's going up against an animal of a man.
The rod says otherwise.
Oh,
Try it again.
yeah, very cool.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I'm gonna let it go like this. Go.
That flat end. I'll literally give him a kiss if he comes up to the boat for me. He's not small. Yeah, get.
My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
see, told you. Get them out there, they go deeper. Oh, you don't want to go?
No, he's still here.
Lose them?
No, he's here.
Get in gear, Dad.
Yeah, you gotta move me. Please. Turn, turn, turn. Thank you.
Oh, I see colors.
How big?
Yeah, I see 'em. Dad, you got to turn.
I'm turning, dude. I'm watching.
He's way down there.
You got it? Or you tired? Want me to fight it?
He's not bad. I mean, he gave me just about the easiest reel in I've had all day. Tell Mom to keep us straight. It's gap time.
Is it gap time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gas time.
Carson, get this one. Hold on a second, guys. Go
See,
left,
I
Carson,
see
go
leader.
left. Oh, come on, bring it. Up,
Yeah.
go to the left.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Come on. Stick him.
Nice. Another nice one.
They like that daisy chain.
Yeah, they do. All right.
You're smart as well, just holding up.
Yeah.
All right. Nice job, everybody.
Alright.
Number 7.
No matter just in gear idle.
All right. Now, let's see what we got. Let's see if we have an opening.
Oh, something's dogging us right there. Big tuna. Big tunas right there. Big yellows. They're greyhounding right there.
All right. Slow down, slow down. Yeah, slow down, slow down.
Okay, you gotta get that.
Here, turn on autopilot, keep us straight, just get.
Come drive.
Okay.
Here, let me get mine in first, just keep fighting.
Pulls off me. Those got cut.
Wahoo?
Fuck me, that's another nomad.
No, two nomads.
I'm gonna read over my nomad.
Yes, you do. Was it worth it, Dad?
Yeah, those 200 worth of nomads on my life.
Well, you have about $1,500 worth of tuna steak in
Yeah,
there.
$1,500 in the food box right now. Another $400.
Oh, my pocket. My pocket. Oh, did it?
So you want to time some fuel over there? Please tell me you're still on.
No, I'm not, man.
I'm on.
Carson's on.
I'm not even Switch me real quick.
Switch?
Yeah, this thing is literally country mile up. Let's start reeling.
We're real.
I'll let Logan take it because I got tired.
Yeah, a lot of them actually.
Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, you like my dolphin setup?
I got it. Get him.
Come on, bring it back around.
You're in it.
Yeah!
Awesome.
I told you
end that off on that high note.
We gotta get the fish bag out of the floor.
All right, you want to end it there, Deb?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
That's gonna wrap it up for this little series that I just did. I'll be heading down to the Keys tomorrow, so expect a ton of stuff on Instagram and YouTube that'll be coming out later because I have more tuna stuff. Yeah, you guys thought it was the end. No, it's not. Got one more really good day where we basically packed the boat as well. So I'm gonna show that off to you guys and share that whole experience with you. And then other than that, keep your eyes out on Instagram for, you know, some awesome photos. We're coming really close to 3,000 followers, so we'll be announcing winner of the giveaway soon. Again, I'll link the giveaway down below, so you can go check that out and enter. So if you guys stuck around for the 20-something minutes that this video ended up being, thank you. Really appreciate the support. It means a ton. Stay salty, and I'll see y'all in the next one.